Ikan hati mo mahinsalo kalapit na. Masya nga ako nakakalota. Inuusap ko itong amo ko. Dahil ako na simula. Dahil ako narakan sa akin. Paso na kami pagpulot itong dagan sa kinakapit sa amin. Sugod sa pagkula sa amin. Kasi dahil pala ito. Tapos sa lang kami sa kalawan ko. Kanya birthday. Nang talagang wala rin sa
Being very busy, design the games and activities for everyone to enjoy.
Hattie will allow us after fabulous fun.
Pogo will coach us with his sports skills.
Twirling will teach us the latest dance moves.
Young will learn his latest inventions and gadgets.
And Jollibee will prepare us the best food in town. Experience for yourself the happiest place to be, the Berkeland Theme Park. Yay! Okay. Palakpakan natin si Mami. This is surprise. Ayan, nakis ko. May mga questions lamang po ako sa inyo. Are you ready po?
I'm not ready.
Oh, you're not ready?
I'm not ready for that.
Ayan, okay. First question. Ano po ang tingin naman ni Ate Darling
Of
sa'yo?
course, ang kagandahan!
Yes! Confidently beautiful, Alika. Okay, how about, what character?
Character, pagiging makulit. Wow. Yeah.
Ayan, pagiging makulit. Okay, lastly, ano po ang birthday message mo para sa ating birthday style?
Birthday message is where you are. Stay be humble. Ano pa ba? God-fearing. Ano na, gusto ko makaabot mo na lahat. Like what I said, every day na advice ko, sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo in life. Well, that's it. Okay, of course, you know that.
Yes, napakasweet naman talaga ni Mami Diana. Okay, Ate Darling, can I thank you message for your mommy?
Thank you, ma'am, for everything. Oh,
Hindi tapos na ako dyan sa cry.
thank you sa lahat ng mga sacrifices mo for us, not only sa family natin, but sa mga taong malalapit sa'yo. And na-appreciate namin lahat ng mga ginawa mo sa buhay. Thank you.
Ayan, palakpan natin si Mami. Pwede mo ako muna sa kanya sa inyo. Ayan, hindi lang siya natatapos ang pa-birthday message natin. Dahil meron akong napiling dalawa na magbibigay. Kaya muna sa inyo. Oh! Ayan. Okay. Hi, kumusta? Okay lang, gano'n okay? Can you rate me for me? Can you rate me? Can you rate me? Wow, sobrang masaya ako. Okay, sige. Ano ang birthday message mo para sa ating party?
Happy birthday, Ate Darlene. Wish ko more travel. Pero kasama dapat ako. Stay healthy and more success to come. And good luck for your future. Love you.
Ayan, palakpan natin si Ate Richelle. Ayan. And last but not the least, how are you? Good, okay. What's your birthday message to your big sister, darling?
I hope you have a good day.
And have a good day. Anything else? Alright, that's so sweet. Okay, palakpan natin si Christian and Mommy Diana. Ayan. And if this is assemble. Gagawin ko lang sa lahat. Okay? The second player, assemble at disassemble. Again. Bale, kada player, mag-assemble at disassemble. Get ready for the trial? Because the trial begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, trial na muna ito. Pabilisan lang ito game na ito. Kung sino unang matapos, will be declared as the winners. And winners will claim the prize. Assemble lang, then assemble.
Ayan, very good. Very good. This is sample. Okay.
And the last player.
Paano ko nung yan?
Ay, ito na
Ikaw,
natin. Makita mo natin yung background na natin.
sugahin. Tapos isusugat mo. Tapos induhan. Dapat dito. Tapos dito. Tapos kasunod yan. Wala, dito nga ah. Tapos, katingan yung mag-game siya. Di, babalik na nila.
Ayan, mukhang ready na lahat. Okay, players, the final game begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Faster, faster! Kung sino ang matapos will be declared as the winner. And winners will claim the golden prize!
Okay.
Ito lang ang Okay, and we have our first winner. A round of applause. And kung siya participate na sulat nyo, right? Atin lang. Ayan, congratulations! Again, kung right na, stamp your feet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then clap your hands 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then shout. Nice, very powerful. Okay, mukhang ready na lahat. The final game starts in 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Ayan. Make sure lang na mahigpit ng balon. Ayan, ang balon. Go, go, go! Kailangan mo sa saan na yan. Sige. Oh. Go, go, go! Nahulog ko. Nahulog yung natin. Nahulog siya po. Okay, choose one, ha? Back pa ang ating second winner. Ang team kailangan ko ng 16 knees, toes, and then cup. Paunahan na kung sino na makakuha ng baso, yan ang ating mag-stay sa pag-game. Until the last man standing. Last man or woman standing. Okay, only one winner. Head, shoulder, head, hips, knees, toes, cup. Ayan. And shout, Jollibee. Okay, kung ready na lahat, the final game begins in 3, 2, 1. Touch your head, shoulder, hips, knees, head, shoulder, hips, knees, toes, shoulder, head, up. Sige na, raise your hand na makuha ng up. Okay, thank you so much. Alright. Knees, toes, shoulder, hips, knees, head, cup. Ayan. Sino ang kuha ng cup? Dito lang tayo sa gilid. Ayan, thank you so much. Shoulder, hip, knees, head, shoulder, head, hip, knees, toes, up. Ayan, okay, and we have Ayan. Sa ating fourth game. Okay, in this game, kailangan ko ng 10 volunteers. Adults, everyone. 10 volunteers. 10 volunteers.
Birthday ko, bawal tasihan. Birthday ko, bawal tasihan. Aileen! Irish!
Princess, crown, balance, shoes, and lastly, flowers. Each of the black cards are the correct answers. Gain 1 point. Yes. Nagulong sa card, i-explain ko lang dito sa enjoying mechanics. Okay? Kung sino ang unang maka 5 points, will be declared as the winner. Okay. Pag tama naman sa sagot nyo, gain you gain 1 point. Pag mali naman, may chance ang sumagot ang kabilang team. Okay? Sige. And Kalas is correct. There's no time. Okay, ano? Sagot? Butterfly. Butterfly is correct! Ayan. Seven is correct! Ayan. One Ang paghintay is so now, flowers. Flowers is correct! Ayan. Happy darling. Ayan. Pumuntok. Ay, 2 points for Ate Dari, 1 point for Ate Dari. Okay. Ayan. Sige. Ate Ramily, ready mo na yung mga balance natin dyan. Okay. For the fourth one, to a queen, this is a symbol of power and authority. Okay, sige. So, letter G is the blank letter in the alphabet. Letter G, as in ganda. It's the black letter and the alphabet. Yes, yes. Letter G. Letter G, as in ganda. Letter G. Ayun, ano sa inyo?
Princess.
Princess? Mali.
Fresh.
Mali. Sige.
Butterfly. Alright na.
Ano gusto mo gawin? Butterfly? Ganda. Seven. Seven is correct! Ang grabe. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, pang 7 siya. Ayan. 7 letters. Which among your word cards has 7 letters? Saan siya na may 7 letra? Saan siya na may 7 letra? Flowers. Flowers is correct. Ayan. Bukod sa sising at bukas, saan pwede nilagay? Okay. Crown. Crown is correct. Ayan. 4 points each. 4 points each. Now, Princess. Princess is correct. Ayan, congratulations, Team Mami Diana. You bring 5 points. And Team Ate Darna. Okay. Listen nyo. Kulang pa ba na? Isa pa. She's one. Congratulations, sweetheart. Okay, and now may I request everyone to stand up, please, and feel the presence of our Lord. And may I call on Ma'am Gemma to
Lord, makapagkaon, makabusog ko ang among tanan, maka-open ko ang among lawas. More blessings po, good health lang sa mga birthday celebrant.
Ready na ba? Sige nga! Samahan niyo ako mag-count down from 10 to 1. It starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Hello, hello, Charlie! Hello, hello! Yes, I welcome our guests to the house of Kuya Diana with Charlie. Hello, hello, Charlie! Say hello! Sweet seven. Alright, hello, hello! Charlie, please meet our birthday celebrant, the one and only Auntie Darlene. Ayan. Sige, peace naman kay Mami. Ayan, once Auntie Darlene! Ayan, nagpapakilig si Charlie. Ayan. Warm welcome, Jollibee. Kinikilig na for sure si Jollibee. Jollibee. Eh, kinikilig na. Ito talaga siya. Shimiburi daw. Ayan, okay. What? Ayan. Sige naman. Ayan. May I call on Mami Diana? Mami, please. Mami Diana. Again, everyone, kakanta natin. Ready na? Alright, and 3, 2, 1.
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
Happy birthday. And
Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you.
happy birthday, Happy Darwin! Maraming Happy Darwin. And of course, kilig-kilig si Jollibee. Ang second wish ni Jollibee is Jollibee wants to grow, to become strong, and smart. Ayan. Hey, palakpan natin si Jollibee. Alright. For the third wish, ang third wish ni Jollibee wants to grow, to become more healthy, and faithful. Ayan. Palakpan natin si Jollibee sa kanyang birthday. Mukhang special yan ah. Wow! A celebrant gift! Ayan. Yan. Tanggapin mo ang surprise birthday gift. Can you open it for us? Can you open it for us? Wow! With Jollibee Mini Lamb! Happy birthday! Alright.
Doon pala ang pinta, labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa buwa. Ganda ng feeling, pag-ibig ang saya. Dito tayo, dito tayo, sa Jollibee tayo, sa Jollibee. Dito lahat, sira sa'yo na, labas lahat ng ngipin, sumasayaw sa buwa. Dito tayo, dito tayo, sa bawat isa natin.
Wow! Ang galing-galing ni Jollibee at ni Ate Darlene. Alam mo ba, Jollibee, sumasabay sa Ate Darlene sa pagsayaw mo? Ang galing-galing na sumayaw, kagaya mo. Ayan.
Okay, smile, 1, 2, 3.
Get ready, smile! Rocky. Happy na. Yung iba dito sa front, yung iba dito sa front, tapos and get ready. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's get to our friends. Ate Darlene's friends.
Ano po mga friends natin, sir?
Get ready. Okay na? Ito po lang mga friends. Dito na? Alright. Get ready. 3, 2, sa'yo eh. 3, 2, 1! Ayan. Okay, if sino una? Sino una? Sino una?
Sasabay ka na, ay.
Hi,
Sasabay
I'm girl. I'm girl. Then girl. Then girl. Wait na. Happy birthday, Ate Dorian. Okay. Next, happy birthday, Ate Dorian. Okay, next. Next.
Dapat po nga tayo.
Sabi mo, happy birthday, Ate Dorian. Nag-wish pa siya. Nag-wish pa. Sabi mo, happy birthday, Ate Dorian. Next, happy birthday, Ate Dorian. Okay, next. Happy birthday, Ate Dorian. Cute naman. Okay. Kasi naman cute, wala na. Happy birthday, Ate Dorian.
Happy birthday, Ate Darling!
Yes, okay, next. Happy birthday, Ate Dorian. Ang cute naman ng boses. Okay, next.
Happy birthday, Ate Darling.
Yes, okay, next. Wow, cute. Ayan, na-survive. Ayan. Okay, so gusto ko magpa-picture together with Charlie.
Look, uy, mama. Papa, wala yung pagliliwag.
Ay, ito sa video, makita mo. Nag-gift daw siya sa akin.
May gift, may gift, may gift, may gift. May gift ang mama, may gift. May gift ang mama, may gift.
Wow, may pag-surprise birthday gift ni Mami Dorian. Charlie. Ano kaya ito ka mahina sa buksan?
Ibang na talaga pa.
Ayan. Ano kaya yan? Buksan mo na, Mami Dorian!
May presyo pa yata.
Wow! A golden necklace! Sabi ang ganda ng Mami Dorian, oh! Ay, naglalambing si Charlie. Ayan. Wow! May magic pa. Si Charlie naman talaga. Wow! A golden pearl. Kasi pearl daw na nasa dress ni Ate Darlene. Yes! Nakuha mo dyan, di tama-tama ka nga. Dahil pearls na ang nasa kanyang dress at nasa kanyang neck. Very good. Oh, sweet naman.
For coming and sana nag-enjoy tayong lahat and sana bumalik yung pagiging bata natin and sana na-appreciate nyo to kasi hindi lang to para sa akin, kundi para rin sa inyo. Thank you!
Ayan, okay. Thank you so much. Yan, galingan mo, Charlie. Para tuloy na tayo.
Di mo ano, Jollibee mo sumayaw.
Tama siya mga celebration. Thank you so much. Once again, if you want to celebrate your special occasion, just kindly visit our store, Jollibee Rockland, and ask the manager on duty for booking in.